guys, this is Jen from the team department, and today I'm going to show you my diamond painting. So I did a cherry blossom, if you can see here, and you can get a variety of designs at Hobby Lobby, Amazon, or Walmart, and they come in little packets of beads here, and on the bead packet it comes with a number, a symbol, and a color. And on the far left corner is a little chart that has the corresponding number, symbol, and color that you use to create the design. So for example, this little packet here says 21377 F209. And I'm going to look at this chart that tells me where 21 is. And so, let me see if I can pull it up. So it says 21, and it gives me the 3777, so that's the color number. And then it has the symbol, which is a T. That's the one I'll be using. And so, all I do is get these little beads in this, right here, in this little tray. And then I went ahead and just shake it up a bit. And that's just to keep the diamond beads upright. When you shake it, it helps to keep it that way, which is going to be easier for you to attach the bead to the corresponding letter or number that is on the design. And then I use this little wax here with this little tool. And with the wax, I just stick the tool in here, and this will help me to attach the bead. So I attach the bead, and I find the little symbol here, and I just attach it on there. And you just do the same process for each and every design and bead color they have on here, and that's all there is to it. And so, there you have it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.